My people, this is this morning 8 o'clock I did 2 video, no audio. So this is, I gotta do it again. I don't know what happened. I really don't. But I didn't know, no, there was no audio. So I'm gonna recreate it again, the same route, and delete those 2. So today's October 9, and now this is 11:41 a.m., 11:41, with 74 degrees, my people. We're gonna go back to Route A1A. Enjoy the day, enjoy the trip. We got heavy rain right now, no wind. The hurricane that is coming is not here yet, my people. Martin, I think it's Martin. Crossing the rail. I don't know why we don't have no audio on those videos, my people. Now I gotta do it again. Things happen. We only got rain right now, my people. There is no, you can see the rain go on and off, but enough from the hurricane. The hurricane is supposed to arrive here by 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. We're gonna start feeling the wind, the force, you know. So this is risk with my people. We're gonna go. We're gonna make the left on Mason. Mason route 430, 430. Fralope! Gracias, Fralope! As you can see, my people, there is no wind, but everything is in place. Florida Energy Electricity, they got all the trucks in place. They parking on the parking lot of the hotel in Atlantic Avenue. Aja que when it's not the music, it's something else. This morning I did 2 videos, no audio, you know. So it's gotta be something. Maybe because I got the Bluetooth connected. But I'm doing it with no Bluetooth now connected. Never happened before. You know, my people. I hope this one have the audio. So good morning, my people. It's gonna be 15 minutes to 12 noon on Wednesday on 74 degrees. Route 43 right here, my people. We're gonna make that left and see how the water is around this time. I was here this morning. Make the video, no audio. Vámonos! Let's go! As you can see, my people, it's cloudy and it's raining, but we haven't get no wind, nothing from the hurricane that's coming. We're gonna get it tonight. It's far away. We have rain, heavy rain on and off. It's no windy, it's calm. It's gonna hit Tampa, the ice is gonna hit Tampa, not here. You know, here we might get the wind, but we're not gonna get hit hard. You know, like people is thinking, you know, everything is gonna be fine. Look at the family, my people, they tourists. And that hotel have the parking lot across the street. You have to cross the street to get into the hotel. You know, that's bad design. The video I made this morning was more beautiful than this one, my people. I believe. I had to recreate the same thing now in a different way. And delete it, the other one. You see, when I came this morning and Mike was not here, you know, I just stopped here to see the tide is coming in now. Look at that water. Look at that water. And the storm is not coming from the Atlantic. It's not hitting us straight, my people. But look at it. I'm not even going to remove the camera out of the dashboard because I don't want this video to go off again, like the one I did before. How you doing? So my people, we're gonna continue the same route I did this morning. We're gonna go straight to Downington. We're gonna see all the trucks for you know, the electricity, Florida Energy. They all in place, my people. They here in Daytona Beach. It's not raining like this morning. It's more quiet now. We got 5 to 12, my people, on a Wednesday night, October 9. This hotel, Daytona Grande, and now I understand that this is the parking lot across the street. They don't have a parking lot in their premise. So this is we're going south, my people, 818 to Downington in recreation of a prior video that I did it with no audio. By mistake, I don't know what happened. That don't make me happy when I had to repeat something. Don't make me happy. So that's why I sound like this, you know. But let's forget about it and let's do it again. This is Main Street in Daytona Beach, the heart. This is the heart, my people, of Daytona. When we have the motorcycle week, everybody showed their bike right there on Main Street. And this morning I came this way too, to see how the water is. And before I go to the water, I want to show you that Florida Energy have everything in place here. In this hotel, they staying waiting for the storm, comfort in. All the trucks for the to repair all the electricity they here. A different contractor. You see, this is one of them. We got Elliot is waiting for the call to go to the emergency and get it done. The repair, you know what I mean? Elliot. Probably is a individual contractor because they have a different company that work for them. Florida Energy. Now it's more traffic than when I did this morning the video. That's what I like to avoid, you know. Look at the ocean. In the morning I came this way with no car, nobody was here. That's the way I like it. I don't want to be among people. You know, it's better. And I know why I say it. You know, look at the ocean. The tide is coming in, my people. You know. It's more traffic, it's more people, you know, than this morning. So we're going to continue the same way we did this morning, my people. Everything in place right there. When I lowered down those videos, then I went into my phone because now my phone is everything. And I checked it out and they came out with no audio. I don't know why, because then I did a couple more, I hear the audio. So let's forget about that. This is a new video. Those two I'm going to delete it, my people. International Speedway Boulevard, we're crossing now. It's not raining like this morning, my people. Now it's calm. Here and there, you feel wind, but it's not from that depression. Krabby Restaurant, Land Shark, Bar and Grill. So we're waiting for Martin. Silver Street, that we're gonna come this way when I go around Darlington. We're driving south Atlantic Avenue in Daytona Beach, my people. Mi gente, Daytona Beach. O'clock, 12 noon, my people, right now. El cabezón, míralo ahí. Sí. ¿Viste? Maya Rain. You got more trucks that they're gonna help the electricity company. Florida Energy. With the store here. thank you to Don Lino and Evelyn from Georgia. They like part of my family too. They used to live in Yonkers, New York. They moved like 3 or 4 years or 5 years to Georgia. Nice family, you know. I want to say hi to Fran Lopez in Aguada, Puerto Rico, Agonocentro Lopez, and all the people that work in the well house, Agrocentro Lopez, in Aguada. En el sector 4 esquinas, en la ruta 4412, kilómetro 2.2, my people. Jesús Chuito Valle, YouTuber for like 8 years or more. I want to say my gratitude. Portofino. They got a Portofino in New York, in City Island, in the Bronx. And a lot of people on vacation, they here, but they cannot do nothing. They probably was caught by the storm here in Daytona, in Florida. So we're gonna cross this bridge down Milton. My people, this is a recreation of the video I did this morning. I posted, there was no audio, not even on my phone. I don't know what I did. I don't know what's wrong. I did something, maybe I got the Bluetooth on, who knows. I know. Look at that view, my people. Nice and beautiful view. Look. This is the Halifax River, but it's very, very wide in this area here. Look, it's got 2 bridges. We just crossed one. We're gonna cross another one right here, my people. So we're going to go Route 1, Ridgewood, my people. pass it. I pass Richmond. I don't know what I'm thinking, my people. I don't know. So the next one is Nova. You know what? I'm gonna go Richmond. It's got me crazy what I did this morning, my people. That's what it is. No. We're gonna make the left here is Richmond. Route 1. So we taking Route 1, my people, going north to Orange Avenue. We're gonna cross the Silver Bridge in my next video, not on this one. I gotta recreate those two videos the same way I did it this morning. And this is the first one, my people. I gotta take it out of the air, you know, and put this one. And from now on, I'm gonna check before I download it. I gotta check the audio and everything. I didn't check the audio. So my people, when I reach the 30 minutes, I'm gonna go to the second video. We just left Port Orange. We entering South Daytona. No, South Daytona. They divided, you got South Daytona and then you got North Daytona. So my people, make sure grandma, grandpa is in good condition, the dog, the animal, the bird. I want to say hi to my boss in New York, Luna. My dog, Coco, the brown dog, and Becky. And I love you guys, love you country. I'm going to end this video because I'm going to hit the button right away for the second video. All right? So be safe. And I'm going to continue the second video, my people, because those two videos I'm going to take it out of the air, the ones that they don't have no audio. I love you guys, love your country, and I see you soon. I love you guys. I'm going to miss you.